Let's get ratchet.
So good morning, Jackson Garage. I have decided to design my own plastic little holders for the Nissan Leaf battery modules. So this plastic carrier goes on top of the terminals like that and creates some insulation between the bus bars and the battery management lead wires. So what I'm thinking of doing is cutting this strip out and putting it onto the battery. So each battery will have its own little plastic thing that can go on, and then you can connect as many batteries as you want, because I don't think I'm going to have access to just finding this stuff lying around. So I'm going to 3D model this and try and make a 3D print of a very simple copy of this and see how that turns out. So that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed that quick little design project. Till next time, like, subscribe, etc. Cheers.